United States President Joe Biden is today opening the second global COVID-19 summit in Washington. President Cyril Ramaphosa will also be participating in the summit. Let's take you live now to Washington.
When it comes to getting this pandemic under control and preventing future health crises, collectively we're making significant new commitments to help keep up the fight against COVID-19 in 2022, protect the most vulnerable populations, and prepare for the next health crisis, because there will be others. You know, and the United States is going to continue to do our part. Today I'm announcing the United States will share critical COVID-19 technologies through the World Health Organization COVID-19 Technology Access Pool. We're making available health technologies that are owned by the United States government, including stabilized spike protein that is used in many COVID-19 vaccines. We're standing up a new pilot program working with the Global Fund to expand access to rapid testing and antiviral treatments for people in harder to reach areas. And we're increasing our support for a new pandemic preparedness and global health security fund that will be established at the World Bank this summer with $450 million in seed funding. I particularly want to commend Indonesia and Italy for their leadership in helping make this fund a reality. And I'm encouraging other leaders to join me in upping their commitments. You know, we're going to face together global health crises. This is not the last one we've had. It's not a question of if, it's a question of when. So we have to invest now. We have to secure political commitments now. We have to start working to prevent the next variant and the next pandemic now. And that's going to require all of us to do more. I encourage every leader to ask yourself, what more can I do? How can we work more closely together to help more people? How can we save more lives? That's why I continue to call on Congress here at home to take the urgent action to provide emergency COVID-19 funding that is vital to protect Americans, to make sure that we maintain our supplies of COVID-19 tests, treatments, and vaccines, including next-generation vaccines that are being developed. The request also includes $5 billion to keep up our global partnership in the fight against COVID-19 and sustain our efforts to get shots in people's arms all around the world, expand access to treatment, and save lives everywhere. We can do this. We can control COVID-19. We can start to build a better, healthier, and more secure future today if we all do our part and if we step up together. So thank you for responding to this fight, and most especially, thank you for all the doctors, nurses, and community health workers, and scientists, and aid workers, and anyone and everyone on the front lines fighting this pandemic, saving lives every single day. We owe you. Thank you. God bless you all.